Hi, today we're going to open a Color Splash series tree from Daddy.
Yes.
What's the name called again?
Color Splash.
No, not that part. This part.
Moriah Elizabeth.
From Moriah Elizabeth. I watched her and she literally makes squissies out of other squissies. So she might cut off a head of a squishy to make a new squishy. Do it. Now, you might think, why do you only have one? Well, I don't only have one. Oh, and do you like this? Wait a second. I have two. Seriously, this is so cute.
And what are the choices in there?
So I don't know what these are all called, but I'll tell you the one I really want.
Oh, they don't have names.
This one. I really want this one.
Just a second. Oh yeah, so many.
I want this one. It's the cutest.
Let's see which one you get.
And I really hope I get that one. Wait, Daddy. I have like scissors over there somewhere. Can you get them?
Of course.
I need scissors to open this. Because we didn't realize there is plastic on this that I need to take out. Yep, that's scissors. Those scissors, I mean.
Mm-hmm.
How do I open it?
Can I help? Mira, can I help?
No need. Wait a second, this might take where I'm still in the middle. Oh yay, I got this one open. This is how it looks without the plastic. It's a little bit less shiny than this one. But if you compare it, this one looks like it has plastic. This one has the plastic, this one doesn't. It's so easy to tell, to be honest. Now I need to peel off the plastic from this one, which was very irritating to me. Seriously. It's very annoying pulling off plastic. This is where the scissors come in. I have no idea why I just used it for that. By the way, if you watch any of my other channels, I actually usually have longer hair. I just cut my hair. I cut my hair today. With all of that plastic away. That's good. Now, leave in the comments which one I want to open first. Right for the right, and left for the left. Since I write with my right hand, I'm going with right. I'm deciding for whichever one you chose. If you did left, I'm sorry. If you did right, you're on my team. I know you're all on my team. Sorry, this is hard to open. Oh yeah, there it is. I wonder which one I do. Oh. Ooh, wait a second. And I like this dinosaur. Let's see which one I got. Oh, I got Pickle. Oh, the one I want is Rainbow. And I like Pickle, to be honest. Look at him. He's so cute. Now I have one more to open. To be honest. This one is hard like the other. If I get another Pickle, I'm not going to be sad. I'm going to be a little... You gotta be kidding me. The one I least wanted, the one I wanted the least is the one I got. Oh, I might be wrong. No, I'm right. Why is this one so hard to open? I really didn't want this one. I wanted at least anything else but this one. I don't like it. It's creepy.
But Halloween is coming, so.
That's creepy. Polly the pumpkin. Wait, I forgot to read about Pickle. The special regenerations of Pickle, the dinosaur features a happy splash of color. Aww, with its familiar, adorable drippiness intact. Pickle sports an extra colorful look in celebration of the Color Splash series. Aww. He's so cute. Pickle. I'm gonna read about. First, I'm gonna read about Honey the Pumpkin next, and then I'm gonna read all the other ones. I'm gonna start with the ones I was okay with getting to the ones I really wanted. So, Honey the Pumpkin. The spirited pup finds pure joy in frolicking and with pumpkin guts. What? Pickle? So they can see my face. There you go there. Guts. What is that? Let's see. Yeah. With fur as vibrant as autumn leaves and a nose that sniffs out pumpkin patches from miles away. Pummy reveals in his favorite season activity. Now I'm going to Georgie, which I didn't get. I really wanted Rainbow, but I'm going for Georgie.
Georgie is which one?
Our beloved pineapple duck hybrid Georgie has undergone a magical metamorphosis. What?
A change.
Emerging as a radiant rainbow of cheerfulness. With his vibrant hugs,
No.
with his what?
And friend yellow.
With his vibrant hugs and friendly hello, Georgie spreads joy wherever he waddles.
Oh, because it's duck.
Now I'm looking at Strawberry. To be honest, a very cute one.
Strawberry is this one.
Strawberry. The strawberry delicious pear has a heart as sweet as ripe pink, fuzzy pink fur and adorable strawberry top. Strawberry's adventures are always filled with fruity fun and sweet surprises. Fruity fun. Get it? Because he's literally named after a fruit. I don't think you got it. I know you got it. I know you got it.
Which one is the next one?
Derp.
Burp?
Derp.
Oh, derp. Sorry.
The blue one.
This one.
Derp. Derp is the opposite. No, that's not opposite. What's this, Bobby?
Epitome?
Yeah. Epitome of Derpy. Charmed with splash of cuteness and a rainbow tummy stomach. Whether he's hanging out with his cousin Pickle or munching on his favorite meal, a cheeseburger, Derp's playful actress and now even more colorful belly never fail to bring a smile to everyone's face. That's nice.
What's the next one?
Bumble Bear. After Bumble Bear, we'll do Burp and then Rainbow.
Your favorite rainbow, right? The one that you really wanted to find.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Bumble Bear. This bumblebee bear inspired monster has been adored with dazzling splashes of rainbow. With her vibrant rainbow unicorn horn, she's ready to sprinkle her magical touch on everything in her path. Cool. Now, I would have really liked anything but Pummy the Pumpkin.
This is burp, yeah.
Burp the yellow one.
So does burp means Lutino?
I think so.
Well,
You get sick? You get. Oh, let's take it up. Take it off. Take it up. Burp. Burp is somewhat of an exploding character. Polarizing character. As most cannot tolerate his extreme level of derpiness, What?
I don't know.
The derpiness of his smile is so thick for some it's difficult to look at. Burp doesn't have much or
Originality?
originality and only gives the simplest of answers.
Mhm.
He chooses mostly yellow activities,
Okay.
which is painting, eating lemons, and that's all I can think of. Fruit sign.
It's 2 more than I.
It's the last one I'm reading.
Go.
It's Rainbow, the cutest. If you want, you can see her again. There she is, the cutest rainbow thing ever. Cutest. I'm seriously so cute. She's like, I hate you and you think no. And I love her colors. They're so cute. Okay, anyways, Rainbow. Known for her pastel rainbow theme. Rainbow the cat is the most adorable and sweetest kitty you will ever meet. Her innocent smile will leave you in awe. Cute. Now you see why I wanted her. That literally said that she's the cutest thing ever.
Well, I think you were very lucky anyway. Look how on the front page.
I know. He actually does. Look. If you want me to rate which one I like the more, like out of 10,
I think they know.
this one, the 9, because I mean, like, Sora. It's really cute, but I mean, like, it could have some more splashes. Like, why not add some, like white stuff here, like, on Puppy the Pumpkin? So this is a 9. Because of there's no, like, little thing on the eyes. Now, you want to know what Puppy the Pumpkin is? It's like an 8 out of 10. The reason it's an 8 is, like, seriously, this is just a pumpkin with a cat head and the top of the pumpkin here. Like, couldn't it be like just a regular pumpkin with ears here and then a cute smile on the face on the pumpkin? Would that be nice too? Or at least make the pumpkin a different color. This is too original.
But pumpkins.
Look at this.
Pumpkins are that color, Mira. Right?
She makes creative things. This is creative. Look, dinosaurs don't usually have rainbow stuff. Dinosaurs never have this thing. Dinosaurs don't have these glasses. Dinosaurs don't have tattoos.
Are you serious? It has a tattoo.
Well, I'm not sure if that's a tattoo, but it's just face paint. Dinosaurs didn't have anything like this. And yet she put it in. Now, this, you can't even put it inside the pumpkin. Seriously. I mean, like, pumpkins are orange, right? This is orange. A face is poking out. Like it was hiding in there.
Okay, so you really don't like that, yeah?
And it's poking out like, hey, want to play? I need it to be more creative.
Mira.
At least make it a different color. Please. I need to know how I can look. I need to know how I can look as a different color. But still, it's okay. It's okay. The best one, this one. Now, if you want me to go over the names again, I'll go over the names again. But in order this time. Georgie, Strawberry, Puppy the Pumpkin, Burp, Pickle, Derp, Bumblebear, and Rainbow. Also cute. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Don't need to, but I'd really appreciate it. please do it. Please. Please. I barely have any subscribers. Or barely. So please. Bye. Bye. Please give her some like, some subscribes. Bye. Bye.